Hello again, friends. So, you're done with your beautiful pom-pom wreath. You're done with your paper mache lantern. You even have leftover goop from that lantern, and you definitely have leftover fiber fluff from our pom-poms. Here's what we're gonna do. Take your extra goop, your leftover goop, set it aside, cover your workstation with some paper, nab the canvas that we've sent over, and what we're gonna do is before we even start, we've got the goop mix. Before we even start, if you have painter's tape, you don't have to do this. This is an optional thing, but I like to do this. Sometimes it adds a cool effect because you can peel this up later. So we're gonna cover a couple of little areas. The effect you get if you do this is almost like a tree with branches. So I like to do it. So the tree will be the white bits here that will be left after the fluff has been covered. Okay, so this is gonna be, in the end, a really abstract tree, and we are gonna use these white spaces to plop on some gloop that's left over from the paper mache and add our fiber from those pom-poms. It's gonna be real cute. Okay, let's go. I am literally, I'm using an old spatula, you can use a big paintbrush, you can use your hands, which is what I'm about to do here. I love making a mess. So once your goop is mixed up, same ratio as it was for the paper mache, 1:1 with water. Just going to go ahead and paint with this glue, basically. Anywhere that there's white, spread it around just like that. I think we covered our surface. Okay, now is the next part. It's gonna be fun. Our fiber that we set aside during the pom-pom making, we are gonna go and get some. So grabbing my gluey hand, I am going to just grab from our bag of fluff, and this is gonna be the fiber for our trees. I love to do this really thick and just lay on lots of fluff. Because it gives us this weird effect when you're done. So basically a weird crispy effect nearly. Anyway, keep just placing your fluff anywhere that there isn't masking tape or all across your canvas if you've opted to not go this route with the fluff. And I'm gonna do actually even a little bit more because next step is we're going rogue here. I'm just gonna start literally like nearly pouring. I'm gonna just pour the gloop over. And it's like you're making a yarn. The yarn is becoming part of the paste. Okay? So just literally pouring it over anywhere that we've placed yarn. Have fun making this mess, guys. It's so just liberating to be able to make messes like this. Okay, so now we're gonna go around and anywhere we've just poured that goopy mixture, we're gonna go help the yarn absorb it so that it sticks onto our canvas. This is such a fun mess. Anywhere that we can, continue just helping that yarn get in. Squish it straight in. Yeah. It's a big mess, but it's a fun mess. All right, and I'm just gonna set this aside to dry for a couple of days. And I'm not too worried about it, frankly. She's gonna be funky. That's the way she goes. That's the way she goes. Here's what we made earlier. You can see we had like a different color set of yarns happening, but we pulled the tape up and you can see here It's just a funky, abstract piece of art that we're working with and that we've made out of our scraps, out of our waste. So we're delighted to have this up on our wall here at home, our whimsical little Dr. Seuss tree. Hope you make something marvelous with your scraps too.